Hi there, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video you will learn how you can find the unread content inside the community.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.
Alright, here we are at the dashboard of the Deberoo platform, and in this video you will learn how you can find unread content from the community inside the Deberoo platform. So here we are on the dashboard, and as you can see, you will already get an overview of the latest community post on your dashboard. Alright, so it's always good as soon as you log in, make sure to check out this left column right here, and you will already get an update of the most recent community posts. However, perhaps you want to check if there is any other unread content that you might have missed. Alright, so to do so, first we need to open the community. And you can do so by going to the tab Community and clicking on the community itself. This will now take you to the community, and first you will see the recent topics. So these are the same topics that will appear on your dashboard. However, if you want to find unread content, go to the tab Activity and click on Unread Content. You will now get an overview of all the content that you have not read yet. And this way, you can make sure you are always 100% up to date with everything that's happening inside the community of the Deberoo platform.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.